Happy birthday! Hey! Got that 15-inch crescent, look. Gador 12. Unusual to find a 12 of anything. And look at this, another 12. Isn't that amazing? A Presto. Presto 14. Presto 14. A Shelly. Might cross that out and write Lucas favourite on it. No one will know, will they? And what's this? This is a RSDA 200. Is this the Polish brand? Poland, yep. But these ones are hard wire cutters. So they're quite nice and interesting. Gotta love anything like that, haven't you? I've got that over there enough. Yes, right. Next. Oh, them little white fucking cocktail sausages again. Don't like them. People, stop sending me the white cocktail sausages. They taste like shit. And this is, that's a better size fucking multi-tool, isn't it? Where's that miniature fucking shit from yesterday? Yeah, alright. Alright, this one here is a wannabe, that one, isn't it? Look at that. Cool. And it has got a screwdriver and a thingy. That ain't got a thingy, puller. And a hammer and a little axe. So there we are. That's big brother, little brother, isn't it? Big brother, little brother. Put it in there. Tell you what, it's super fucking hassle day today. Be quick, got to go to work in a minute. This, oh, you got to love old fucking, you got to love rusty old tins, ain't you? Now what this is, get them, pile them up there. What this is a rusty old fucking tin, isn't it? This, oh, look at that. That's been. Oh, I never did. Fuck me, that's terrible, isn't it? Well, this is supposed to be is Indistro. Fuck that. Anyway, that's gonna take a bit of cleaning, isn't it? Oh dear. I think we'll need a fresh batch of deoxy for that bugger. Right, put that there. Don't worry about doing that. Okay, so that's poor man's fucking wrapping tape, isn't it? This is... this is the other one. Got one of these yesterday. So, I got Rob one, and then I found myself one as well. This is Ford Dagenham. There's two of those I've got now. One for me, one for Resto. I don't know, I just started off, weren't really collecting spanners when I started, was I? I was just buying, cleaning, selling, making money. I hope this ain't what I think it is, because if it is, it's a lot smaller than what I fucking imagined. It is, isn't it? Yeah, I think it is. Well, I don't know what to say about that. I'm a bit... fuck me. Oh no, it's not what I thought it was. Thank God for that. Okay. I thought it was a socket set. It's the Ox. Look at that beauty. And guess what? It's the Ox Metal Punch. The Ox. So, yeah, I mean that punches through fucking metal. That's an incredible thing, isn't it? There's a couple of punches missing apparently, but hey, I don't give a shit on that. I'll tell you, that's there's two missing. That's right, two missing and one fitted in there. There's the one that's in there, look. What's it in there? It's in there, isn't it? You undo that, don't you? Undo that, slip it out. Yeah, anyway. I've only ever seen one of these. This is as rare as fuck me. This is as rare as it fucking gets, Garrett, and this is rarer than... Get in here, you cunt. So there's not two bits missing, there's one bit missing, because that's the bar that goes through there, look. Right. That goes through there. And there he is. Oh, that's fucking tasty, that is, isn't it? Tasty, that's a good word. They said one bit was missing. I don't think it is. Because I think that goes in there. I'm pretty sure that goes in there. Yeah. That goes in there, that goes in there. And then that's all the bits. I'm pretty sure on that, but I could be wrong because I'm a bit of a knob. And I'm ecstatically happy with that. Excellent. Well pleased. And my last one for today, cut the label off. My last one for today so this was that's a Utica. I mean, come on, I've never seen a Utica one of them. I bought this entire lot for that. This is the biggest pair of Elliot Lucas fucking nippers I've ever seen. And these are Krauter, USA. The last pair of Krauter I had went for about 20 quid. And these are Elliot Lucas as well. So let me just look up what they went for. I'll pay for them. Okay, so the Ox cost me £22.99 and £7 postage for 30 quid, but that's a rarity. The Crescent and I forgot the name of that. The Crescent and the Presto. Crescent, the Presto bits, along with these snippers and the other wrench and stuff, was £11.60. Bargain. Remarkably, this cost less than a fucking little pair. These were a tenner, and they are, I mean, they're tongies as well. And you can pulsate out, can't give it a tap, give it a chop. Brilliant. The Utica. Right, so these, or the big ones, one pair of these was £1.99. They were a £5. The Utica, I lost it. £6. That's a bargain. 10-inch Utica for £6. Right, it was a pair of these. These were, believe it or not, £8. But I mean, look at the size of them. They're fucking humongous. They're 10.5 inches. Them big ones. 10.5 and 7. 10.5 inches. They've got to be a keeper because I ain't got none of them that big. And they're Elliot Lucas. Sorry, Rob. Is that everything? No, this was £10 plus £3.20 postage. Indestro. Well, someone tried to de-estro it with water. And that's where we leave it for today. So I'm going to say bye for now.